Hi boys and girls. In today's lesson, the learning target is I can observe how thick or thin lava affects the kind of volcanic explosion that a volcano will have. Now, in today's lesson, Mystery Science Doug has a demonstration activity where he makes two different thicknesses of lava. One is just water. It's very thin and runny. You can imagine water in a cup. The other kind of lava that Doug uses is a mixture of flour and water. It's very goopy when it's in a cup and kind of has the texture of a milkshake. Now, if you've ever blown bubbles in a cup of water versus blown bubbles in a milkshake, you might already have some background knowledge that will help you understand the thing that Doug is going to act out in this video. Now, because this experiment has so many things in the kitchen and might be a tiny bit messy, you don't have to do this one at home. I recommend doing it because it's fun, but if you don't have all the materials Doug says in the video, that's okay. The important thing is that as you watch the video, or as you do the experiment, you're going to be noticing the thickness of the different liquids and how that affects the way that it erupts when you blow bubbles in it. Thinking back to last week's science lesson, you observed that there were two different kinds of volcanoes out there. The long, flat volcanoes and the taller, pointier ones. You also learned about how there are different kinds of volcanic eruptions depending on where you're at. This activity today is going to help you model the way different kinds of lava behave. So, hopefully you'll be able to get some supplies, but if not, just watch Doug's video and you'll be able to figure it out and make those observations too. Here's the steps you're going to need to follow. First, you're going to watch the video from last week where Mystery Science Doug talks about volcanoes and lava. That'll get your brain in the zone. Then you're going to watch the second video where Doug does the experiment and the materials and demonstrates the whole thing. If you do it at home, there's a place for you to make your observations on a Google Slide worksheet. When you're all finished, you should be able to, in the private comments, tell me what kind of lava would make a more explosive eruption. Thick lava or thin lava? All right, if you have any questions, or if you'd like to share your lava with the group, bring it to one of the meetings this week and I'll help you out there, or we can just watch your lava explode. That's all for now. I'll see you in the next video.